Hello. Hello, everyone. Just looking around. Welcome to Healthy Living. I'm Wendy. If this is your first time being here, glad to have you. Okay. Glad that you are able to stop by and visit with me. I'm just sitting on the patio, just looking around, looking at all the things that I said I want to do, all the things that I got a chance to do and was able to accomplish some of the things. And I'm quite pleased, but there's more to do. I am in Louisiana, Zone 9, and you know, in all different areas in Louisiana in Zone 9, it's different. Sometimes it can be snowing, raining, you know, different zones. You get different weather. So, while I'm sitting here, I'm doing something that is relaxing and gives me a chance to think. And I'm thinking about all what's going on and what got me to thinking today is that I knew when I planted that pak choi back there in the garden, I knew that it was going to get too hot and I knew it was going to bolt. And I got off work. Every time I get off work, you know, I go and I walk the garden, the yard, and I look to see what has changed. And a lot will change within 24 hours or 12 hours, you all, in growing. And I went out there and it's starting to seed. I'm gonna have to tell you my feelings was hurt. And it's still a little hurt because I felt it because I knew about that heat and they're so pretty. But you know how you baby something and you want the best for it and you want the best for you because you're looking forward to eating it. And I really wanted the pak choi, not because it's so pretty but I wanted more so for the nourishment. Pak choi has a lot of calcium and I don't drink a lot of milk. So, and it tastes so good and you can have it so many different ways. And so I was like, man, I should have followed my mind. What my thing was, of what I should have done, I felt like I could have kept it from probably seeding. I probably couldn't have, but I could at least have tried. I could have taken it and put it on the side of the house where I receive nothing but shade. It stays really cool there around this time. And I didn't act on it. So I'm sitting here thinking about, a lot of times we think about stuff. We think about it, but we don't follow through. Or we follow through, but we don't follow through fast enough. And sometimes we could have prevented it. And I'm thinking maybe I could have prevented that, you know? But I don't know. But I guess it's never too late. I mean, you can still eat it, but I didn't want it to go to seed. But hey, it's nature, not my choice. That's where it comes in. Gardening comes in and will make you patient. Make you realize that you don't have really control over nature. That you have to go with the flow. You ain't running nothing. You just have to go with nature. nature says it's time for it to do this, you know. Taking a chance in doing pak choi, bok choy here, the best time I realized it was to do it in the fall and for the winter. It seemed like I got the best returns. And I don't know if they actually have one that you can do for the summer, but I keep hearing them talking about tak soy, very pretty plant, Asian plant, and that would be the next thing that I will order. So, just in here thinking while I'm working. If you're kind of wondering what I'm doing, I am removing the large chunks of wood or the mulch out of the dirt, out of these containers, because I really don't care for all of this in my soil, okay? So, gives me a chance to see here and appreciate life and enjoy the cool breeze, raining off and on, you know. It's supposed to storm. Today is March the 22nd. It's supposed to storm really bad tonight. And it's talking about some tornadoes and this and that. I put a couple of my pots up. But, you know, every time I decide to go out there to walk around in the yard, it seems to start raining. Like it's trying to keep me from being out there. Yeah. Plus I need to do this because I need to free up some room in my garage. I have 2 large containers like this with dirt in it. And if a day like this is a good day to get this done. Well, I just want to tell you all thank you for coming to visit and sit with me and allowing me to talk and share some of my thoughts and things I should have done that I didn't do, and to enjoy the wind and the rain off and on, watching the squirrels, enjoying it for a minute, enjoying today for a minute. You know, I'll stop working for a minute and just look around, and it feels good. Something that some of us should do. Smells good. When is the last time you stopped and just sit, listen, smell, and watch? Yeah. See you all in the next video. Thank you for stopping by. I'm going to eventually end up removing that pak choi from back there. Because being back there with that heat, all it's going to do is get worse. And I ain't going to be satisfied until I move it. So, hit that like, comment, and subscribe, and that notification bell, so you can find out where I end up moving that pak choi to, and see if it makes a difference. If not, it's going to make me feel good. I'll see you all in the next video. Suck up some of this life, y'all. Relaxation is what we need.